Good afternoon. The problems based on electric flux density. So, the first problem, point charge Q 22 nanocoulomb is placed at origin in Cartesian coordinate system. Then find electric flux density. Find electric flux density at point P 1 minus 2 minus 4 meter. So now we have the equation for electric field intensity due to a point charge. Electric field intensity due to point charge. So E bar is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon 0 R square AR bar. This is equation 1. But D bar and E are related as D bar is equal to epsilon 0 E bar. Therefore, D bar is equal to what? Q by 4 pi R square AR bar. Now here Q is what? Q is point charge, which is 22 nanocoulomb. So it is 22 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb. R is what? R is distance. It is distance between Q and P. Which is mod of R bar. And what is AR bar? It is unit vector in direction of R bar. So what is R bar? R bar is the vector which is drawn from the point charge Q placed at the origin to point P, which is placed at 1 minus 2 minus 4. So R bar is equal to 1 AX bar minus 2 EY bar minus 4 AZ bar. And what is mod R? Square root of 1 square plus minus 2 square plus minus 4 square. So it is square root of 20. And this is equation number 2. Now we have AR bar is equal to R bar by mod of R bar. So it is AX bar minus 2 AY bar minus 4 AZ bar divided by square root of 21. Now we put these values in equation number 2. Sorry, this is not equation, this is equation number 2. Okay, D bar. So D bar is equal to, we have Q 22 nanocoulomb to 10 raised to minus 9, 4 pi into R is square root of 21, R square is 21 into what is AR bar? It is X bar so it is 1.82. We solve these and get the final answer as minus coulomb per meter square. And the next is problems based on Gauss's law. So next problem is problem based on the Gauss's law. So this problem was asked in exam for the 6 mark. The spherical surface r equal to 1, 2 and 3 carry a surface charge densities of 20 minus 9 and 2 nanocoulomb per meter square respectively. Then first, how much electric flux leaves the surface r equal to 5, and second, find d bar at p 1 minus 1 2. So here the given spherical surface having the radius is 1, 2 and 3. So it is asked to calculate the electric flux leaving the surface r equal to 5. So the surface r equal to 5 encloses all given spheres. Now according to the Gauss's law equal to Q, so we can use the basic formula. What is Q? Q is surface charge density, that is rho s, into surface area of sphere. So it is rho s into 4 pi r square. Now for the 3 spheres having r1, 1, r2, 2 and r3, so Q is equal to rho s1 into 4 pi r1 square plus rho s2 4 pi r2 square plus rho s3 4 pi r3 square, as there are 3 radii. So it is 20 into 10 raised to minus 9 into 4 pi 1 square plus it is minus 9 4 pi 2 square plus rho s3 is 2, it is 2. So it is 2 into 4 pi r3 is 3 square. So we solve this and we get it is equal to 25.1327 nanocoulomb. Now second, so we have the equation of d bar. So what is the equation of d bar? D bar is equal to rho s a square by r square a r bar. Now here a is radius of actual sphere. What is a? A is radius of actual sphere. R is what? Radius of Gaussian sphere. Now in this case r is the distance of point P. So point P is 1 minus 1 2. Therefore r is equal to square root of 1 minus 0 square plus 1 minus 0 square plus 2 minus 0 square. So it is 2.45 meter. So it shows that the Gaussian sphere will enclose two spheres of radius 1 and 2, and here a1 is 1 and a2 is 2. Therefore d bar is equal to rho s1 a1 square by r square a r bar plus s2 a2 square by r square a r bar Now we substitute values here. It is 20 into 10 raised to minus 9, 1 square, plus minus 9 into 10 raised to minus 9 by into 2 square. So we get the final answer as value of d bar is minus 2.6655 AR bar nanocoulomb per meter square. So this is our final answer. Next problem. This problem was also asked in exam for 6 mark. The spherical region R is in between 0 and 10 centimeter. So contain a uniform volume charge density. Contain uniform volume charge density. Rho V is equal to 4 micro per meter cube. Find total charge for and also flux density d bar just outside the region. So we have the basic equation. Which one? It is equal to volume charge density, that is rho v, into volume of the sphere, that is 4 pi. Now here volume of sphere is given by 4, not 4 pi, it is 4/3 of pi r cube. Now what is rho v? Rho v is 4 micro coulomb per meter cube into 4/3 of pi. R is what? It is 0.1 10 centimeter, that is 0.1 meter. So it is 4 micro means 10 raised to minus 6 into 4/3 of pi 0.1 cube. So this value is 0.0167 micro coulomb. Now next is calculation of d bar. So we have to calculate the d bar just outside the region. Just outside the region, that is just outside the sphere. That means calculate d bar at point P, which is on the sphere. So we have E bar is equal to rho v a by 3 epsilon a r bar. But what is d bar? It is equal to epsilon E bar. So d bar is equal to epsilon epsilon get cancelled. It is rho v a by 3 AR bar. Now since here rho v is what? It is 4 microcoulomb per meter cube. A is equal to R is equal to 10 centimeter, that is 0.1 meter. So we substitute this value here. It is 4 to 10 raised to minus 6. A is 0.1 by 3 and the answer is 0.13. It is AR bar. AR bar micro coulomb per meter square. So this is D bar. This problem was asked in exam for 6 marks. So in this way we can find the value of D bar and Q.